Hello, my dear students. You're welcome in our online live classes. Hope you all are good and doing well at your home. And this is your subject teacher of computer from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golna Bazaar, Gorakhpur. So, students, let's start our today's class. For that, take out your computer book. That is look like this. Means the name of this book is IT Vision. IT Vision. Okay. And now open your book and come to the page number 26. So children, come to the page number 26 and chapter number 4, and the name of this chapter is the computer mouse. So children, we will learn today about the computer mouse. Okay, although we have learned this chapter in the previous class, and I hope that you will have understood this chapter, and we have read about the computer mouse, mouse buttons and mouse pad, holding a mouse and mouse pointer, and click means action of mouse buttons. So we will learn about the actions of mouse buttons. In this topic we will learn about the first topic is click. Although we have learned this topic in the previous video, and now today we are going to read about the and discuss about the double click. Okay children, for discuss the double click, let's come to the page number 29. So please come to your page number 29 and listen to me carefully. Okay, so children, our topic is double click, and we will learn about the drag and drop and right click. Okay, let's start our first topic, that is double click. So children, what is double click? Do you know? So children, quickly pressing the mouse button twist is called double click. Okay, so children, you will have seen the mouse and also click the mouse. So a double click open an item or object on the monitor. So children, double click is a term used to describe the process of quickly pressing a mouse button twice while keeping it still. In most cases, a double click is with the left mouse button and is used to open or execute a file, folder or software program. Okay? And children, let me tell you that, for example, and if you are working with text, double clicking a word, select the word. Okay, if you are working with text, double clicking a word, select the word, that word. Triple clicking, select the sentence. Okay children, double click a word, select that double clicking a word selects that word, and triple clicking selects the sentence. Okay, and now our next topic is drag and drop. So children, do you know? So children, we will discuss about the drag and drop. Okay, the phrase drag and drop describes the action of selecting an object or section of text, moving it, dragging. Okay, moving it, dragging, and then placing it, dropping. Okay, in an alternate area. For example, to drag and drop an object such as an icon, you first move your mouse cursor over it. Okay children, so to drag and drop means to move an item and place it in another position on the monitor. Okay children, to drag and drop an item means you can do from this, place the pointer on the item you want to move. So children, you use the click and hold the left mouse button. Okay, and now drag the item on the monitor by moving the mouse, and release the mouse button once you place the item in a new position. Okay, so children, you can see in this picture that how it dragging. In this picture you can see that how it dragging. Okay, so we can say that, so like this we can drag the mouse. Okay, and now our next topic is right click. Okay, in this topic we will learn about the right click. So children, as you know that most computer mice have at least two mouse buttons. Okay, when you press the left one, it is called a left click, and when you press the right one, it is called the right click. Okay, so we can see that pressing the right mouse buttons once is called right click. Pressing the right mouse buttons once is called right click. Clicking the right mouse button opens a list of commands on the monitor. Okay, so children, we can say that sometimes abbreviated as right mouse button, the right click is the action of pressing down on the right mouse button, and the right click provide additional functionality to a computer's mouse. Okay, and usually in the form of a drop down menu, means shortcut menu containing additional options. Okay, so children, have you understood this, that what is right click and left click? Means when you press the left one, it is called a left click, and when you press the right one, then it is called a right click. Okay, do you know children what finger is used to right click? Your index finger should be on the left mouse button and your middle finger should be on the right mouse button. Okay, to right click means your index finger should be on the left mouse button and your middle finger should be on the right mouse button. Okay, to right click you would press your middle finger down on the right mouse button. Okay, you can see in this picture that middle finger, it is middle finger, and we should use our middle finger for the right click. Okay, so children, for example, you could highlight text using the left mouse button and then right click that text, the select copy to copy the text to the clipboard. Okay, and once copied you can paste the text into the another field or document. The image shows an example of the right click menu in Microsoft Word. Okay, so children, if you have switched your mouse buttons, the right click would become a left click. Okay, I hope that you will have understood this topic about the right click. Okay, so now our chapter is over. So students, now you have to read this chapter carefully in your homework. Okay, and in the next class we will do the exercise of this chapter. Okay, till then, thank you and bye.